I had my first pressed Cuban sandwich when I traveled to Cuba last year. I'm not particularly like sandwiches, but they actually taste really good. Here I came up a simple version of making Cuban pressed sandwich, and recipes like this. Sandwich bun. If you can find the Cuban sandwich bun, it would be great. But unfortunately, I checked 3 local grocery stores with no luck. Here we use Italian bun instead. Then we need some mustard, sliced ham, pickled cucumber slice, sliced cheese, and barbecue pork. If you want to roast or grill the pork by yourself, please do so. Or you can just buy the barbecue pork from Chinese restaurant or grocery store like I showed at the beginning of the video. It's quick and easy, so let's do it. Cut the bun in half, but try not to cut through it. Spray mustard on both sides and add some sliced cheese on. Slice the barbecue pork to the size you like, and then pan fry both barbecue pork and ham to add more flavor and texture. Look at how much fat you create. Some people may like this, but let's start making sandwiches. Now we're gonna press and grill the sandwiches. Use the sandwich grill if you have one. If you don't, here's the trick. We're gonna pan bake the sandwich. Put a piece of aluminum foil on top of it and give it a little bit weight. Something like this will do. The time depends on your stove power. I grill 1 minute on each side here. The purpose is to crisp the bun and melt the cheese. Don't burn it. Pressed Cuban sandwiches. Enjoy your meal.